Okay, guys, I got a student here I'm working with, and I am teaching her one-on-one how to trade Forex, okay? Forex and Forex pairs, currencies, the indices, and all that stuff that comes along with the Forex, okay? So for those of you who have been attending our live webinars lately, you've seen that we are training you guys how to make money online, okay, from the comfort of your home or from on the go. Yeah, because I know some of my students are telling me their goal is to be able to work from anywhere where there's an internet connection. And one of the easiest, quickest way you can make money, okay, the goal is to go to make up to 100K per year plus more, okay? There are only 3 strategies that we've been talking about. If you master these 3 strategies, you are going to be okay. All right, guys. So I don't want to spend too much time going over this. I just want to show you here what we are doing with my new student here. We took a few trades earlier today. I'm going to push you to the history. And you can see here, she was practicing this on her own and she was losing, okay? This was $100 account, okay? Because I'm dealing with students from all over the world, okay? Some of my students are from countries where people live under $1 per day, okay? You're talking about somebody making less than $1 per day. So my student came in with $100, okay? And she started trading this account with $100. And while she did that, she ended up losing. You can see she had a few wins here, 1, 2, 3. And then she lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a row here. And then today, she started working with me. So we decided to shift the gears and go into a strategy that can make her get that money back and plus more, okay? So today we just came in here and took a quick trade. We were trading the NAS, okay, NAS 100, okay. This is the 100 technological, you know, the 100. The NAS 100 comprises of the 100 technological companies in the United States, okay. So you're trading an index. It's an index, okay. So you can see here we did take a trade, okay. You can see here our stop loss was 13,300 and our take profit was 1,300, and we jumped into the trade when it was 13,130, and we were trading 0.05. Lot size was 0.05. Okay, so we were using a huge margin here. Okay, and the spreads are tight with this broker. Okay, I'm going to put the link to this broker. One of the brokers that we use for our training is HANKOTRADE, okay? So if you don't have a Forex broker and you want to try a good one, you can try HANKOTRADE, okay? But guys, what I'm providing to you guys is not financial advice or any professional advice. I'm sharing my experience with my students. I've been doing this for many, many years. Some of us have been online since 1998. And we have coaches, so many coaches from all over the world. We have Tajimoto on here from Tokyo, Japan. He's been working with us for over 15 years. We have Mr. Baker from the United States, Atlanta, Georgia. He's been working with us for over 17 years. We have Mr. Singh from Bombay, India, who's been working with us over 15 years. We have Malemala from Cape Town, South Africa, who's been working with us over 12 years. Mr. Scott from London, UK, who's been working with us for over 15 years. We have Roseanne joining us from New York, who's been working with us over 12 years. Rosemary from Toronto, Canada, over 12 years. Josephine from Sydney, Australia, over 12 years. We have Omoses from Lagos, Nigeria, over 15 years. We have Rodriguez joining us from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, over 12 years. And many, many other. We have Jose from Sacramento, California in the United States, again, over 12 years. Mary from Vancouver, Canada, over 12 years. We have Karinsis joining us from Berlin, Germany, over 13 years. Marcelina from Madrid, Spain. She's been working with us over 12 years. We have Pierre joining us from Paris, France. He's been working with us over 11 years. I mean, there's so many. We have over 1,000. We have over 1,000 students and coaches working with us every single time, okay? So our webinars are always jam-packed, and we have this every week where we teach, because we decided to teach the public, and share some of these videos with the public. We've been underground for so many years. That's why some of you are asking me, how comes you're not known? How comes you're not one of the gurus that we know? How comes we don't see you on YouTube? How comes you don't have a big YouTube channel? How comes you don't have a flashy Instagram following? Because most of us have been underground. We do this every day. We breathe this. We live this. This is what we do every day. And during the pandemic, we decided, you know what? Let's share some of this knowledge and experience with the masses. The master teacher, I'm a believer. The master teacher says, if you believe in something, practice and teach others. And we've been teaching for many years. I see a lot of gurus that have gone through our training and through our community. We've started the Smart Wolf Club community, and you can go and join. Okay, if you're not a member, go and join. The link is in the description, and one of our coaches will get in touch with you and can help you get started with your online businesses. Anything online, whether it comes to trading, content strategies, e-commerce, whatever, social media, we have been there, done that, and we got a lot of experience, okay? So you can leverage our experience and shortcut your success, okay? That's what they say. That's what the smart people do, okay? They don't want to reinvent the wheel, okay? The wheel has already been invented. All you have to do is make it better or copy from somebody and replicate their success. And you can copy us and we can hold your hand, okay, one-on-one. Like now I'm working with a student here. Her name is Mizar. During the pandemic, she lost her business. Okay, it was a family business, has been in the business in the family for over 3 generations. They had 3 restaurants. They had to close them down during the pandemic because of the closures. And now she's learning a new skill, how to trade the markets. And just a few weeks ago, we were trading binary options, which is quick money. And now, excuse me, she's learning how to trade Forex. And this is a small account. This is just a practice account. We started with $100 and see how we can grow this via compounding. Okay, we're using the power of the compound interest, the power of compounding, where every day our goal is to get at least 10% of the account, to grow the account by at least 10%, so that within a month, we start from $100 and within a month, we should be at least at $1,000. So we should be trading $1,000 where we can increase the lot sizes. You can see here, we're using a 0.01% lot size, okay? Now, if you guys are not familiar with these terms, the basic Forex terms, just do a simple Google search, or you can join the Smart Wolf Club and we can train you from the basics to the advanced level where you can become a trader, professional trader, where you can be trading large sums of money, okay? Prop farms, we help you pass some of those with our basic, with our training, okay? A lot of experience, okay? So, as you can see today, we went over our 10% goal because actually the account was $86. I think after she lost all this, it was about $86. If you do the maths here. And so now we did take 2 trades today. We started working together on this today and we won the 2. You can see the 2 trades here, they're positive. And this was over 31% and 39%. The average there is about, let's divide this, guys. That's 0.70. This is about 35%. Okay, so we were able to grow this account by 35% today. And we do this every day. Tomorrow when the markets are open, we're going to jump in here. And again, our goal is to grow this account by 10% every day. So by the end of the month, we should be at $1,000, okay? And then, of course, from there, we can start taking bigger trades, you know, increase our lot sizes. And slowly by slowly, our goal is by the end of the year, Martha should be running at around 100K run rate, okay? And we're going to get there. We've done this before for other students. And of course, she's going to get there. So basically here, you can see the setup is the pair that we're using was this one here, the NAS 100. Okay, so for you to get the pairs, to set up your platform, okay, once you log on to HANKOTRADE, for example, you can use a different platform depending on which part of the world you're coming from, okay? But you can use a HANKOTRADE. I have the link in the description, guys. Go ahead and click that link, open the account. It's free to get an account, okay? And you can get a demo account and start practicing. Okay, once you get comfortable, you can deposit some money. And you can see you can start from $100 and you can deposit using your debit card, credit card, or even crypto. For those of you who are crypto lovers, we do trade crypto. We train crypto trading in Smart Wolf Club in our community. We do crypto. We have crypto experts. We do cryptocurrency trading. We do that all the time. Bitcoins and Ethereums and all that. And some of our students are making lots of money at the moment. Bitcoin has been rallying, okay, going up, okay. But it doesn't matter whether the market is going up or down. We make money whether it's going up or going down because we use different strategies, okay. When the market is going up, we use a different strategy. When the market is bearish, going down, we use different strategies. So it doesn't matter. You can trade options going up, call options, sell options. So it doesn't matter, whatever it is. We do all that. We trade stocks, we trade crypto, we trade binary, we trade, it doesn't matter what it is, crypto, Forex, okay, bread and butter. Now, that is what we call, there are 3 strategies, guys. If you remember, I talked about 3 strategies if you want to be successful online. First, you must have more than one source of income, okay? So for Miss Martha that I'm working with right now, my student, binary options is one source of her income. She's already mastered that and she's practicing that and she's making money on that. The second one is Forex trading. She's now learning the Forex trading. This would be her second skill. We're going to jump into stocks. She's a crypto enthusiast. She's really excited, looking forward to learning how to trade crypto, okay? So the profits we're going to make from binary options, from Forex trading, from stock trading, we're going to pump those profits into crypto trading, where we can start doing the staking, we can start doing shorting crypto, Bitcoins and Ethereums, staking and all kinds of smart contracts. We're going to immerse ourselves fully, and we train our students to do that. Okay? If you want to learn anything about that, just join the Smart Wolf Club. And guys, listen, I will like you. This is, I'm asking you guys, I'm requesting you to go ahead and subscribe to the Smart Wolf Club channel. We want to grow that channel to 1,000 subscribers before the end of this quarter, okay? That is our goal, and you can make it happen because I can see there's 1,000 of you guys on here, and a lot of you have not subscribed to our new channel. Go ahead and subscribe because we're going to be sharing the tips. Some of these trainings are going to be free on YouTube, and share the trainings with your tribe, okay? With the people that you care about, so we can change their lives and we can teach them some of these skills. There's people out there who are suffering. They are not happy with their 9-to-5s, the rat race. Some people are running in the rat race, and we want to help people. We want to bring some moms home so they can work from home. We have some moms who want to work from home or from anywhere. We want to give some moms choices. We have some dads also, fathers and dads who are also in the rat race. We want to get some of those out, those who are looking forward to working from the comfort of their computers or mobile phones, because you can take trades on the mobile phones, okay? I take trades when I'm at an airport lounge. Just pull out my phone. Most people have smartphones now, anywhere in the world, most people. We've been to so many countries. We were in India just the other day, and we were teaching over a group of Mr. Singh from India. We worked with us for over 15 years, had a group of about 200 young men and women, and we were teaching them how to trade and also make money online using the content strategy. And of course, we were also teaching them what we call virtual assistants, how to become a great virtual assistant, how to offer services online virtually. You know, we're talking about these guys in Bombay, India, very smart individuals. And these are people, some of them live under $1 per day. And you could see the smile on their faces when we showed them how to make a few hundreds while we were in the hotel. We were almost crashing the Wi-Fi in that hotel. It was so amazing. Okay, you get to meet a lot of people. And here is the thing. If any part of the world you go to, the dreams are usually the same. Most people aspire to do the same things. Most people talk about dream houses. They want to have a dream car, dream lifestyle. They want to travel. Travel, very, very important. Most people want to travel because people have realized the world is bigger than your little village where you come from, or your little city, or your little suburb or inner city, or your little downtown. The world is much, much bigger than that, and there's a big potential. With the power of the internet, my friend, right now there's about 1,000 people on this webinar, right now, from all over the world, okay? I could be in Dubai, UAE, and I have a webinar with people from all over the world, and I can sell my services and products. I can teach somebody a skill. I have virtual assistants in Philippines, for example, somebody creating some designs for me, creating content for me, managing my softwares, checking my emails, making my reservations. I'm somewhere in North America, I'm somewhere in Africa, and I have somebody doing the work for me in a far away country because of the power of the internet. When we sleep, they're making money. You know, some billionaires said, you're poor if you're not making money when you sleep. Now, with the power of the internet, you can make that possible, because you could be sleeping and your website is making money for you in another part of the world where they are waking up. It's the morning, it's the night, okay? You could be sleeping at your country, it's dark in your country, but it is morning in another country. With the power of the internet, you could be making cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching all night long, all day long. And we teach you all these strategies. So that's why we talk about the 3 strategies that you must master to become successful online. And the one is the fast money strategy. The fast money strategy includes learning skills like this, Forex trading, because this is quick. You can take a quick trade here and make money like we just did. This trade was less than 5 minutes, guys. This was less than 5 minutes, okay? We made $20 plus 5, that's $25. Okay, right here, $25. Today, just today. It was a 5-minute trade. Less than 5 minutes. Okay. We grew this account from $86 to, you can see, 115, from 86 to 115. So Martha deposited $99.97, which was like $100. She used the Bitcoin, deposited a Bitcoin on HANKOTRADE, okay? And she has not withdrawn. The balance is 115. We're not going to withdraw this until it reaches 1,000. So this is just going to allow us to start trading bigger lot sizes so we can compound the account faster and faster. And that is the strategy we are using, the compounding strategy. And the trading here was very, very simple. We are just using support and resistance, the Bollinger Bands, and the RSI. Okay, now if you don't know what those are, they're called indicators. And you can find them right here when you go to Insert. Okay, once you log in, you go to where it says Insert, and then you click Indicators. Okay, so you look at the oscillators. Okay, here you can see RSI right here. This is the RSI. Okay, you click that, and then you can see the period is 14, and you can look at the levels. So I like to use very strict levels here. I put 20 and I put 80 over here. Okay. And then of course the visualization, you can see it's visual. We allow it to be visualized in all the time frames. Okay. Because when we are drawing our levels, we use higher time frames. Okay. So we were trading the 5 minutes, but we are using higher time frame because we are mainly scalping. Okay, we are scalpers. We were scalping here because we want to just grow this. We don't want to spend the whole day waiting for a trade. So we just come in quickly, make the bread, and leave. Okay. So that's what we do. And then of course, you can thicken these lines so you can see them. Okay. So you can thicken the lines. You can make the lines thicker, and so you can see them. You can see here the RSI. You see that one right there. Okay. So that's the RSI. So when it is on the overbought position, then you can short the pair. Okay. When it is on the oversold position, you can take a long, okay, a long trade. Okay. So basically that's what you're looking at. Very simple, overbought zones and oversold zones. Okay, and now we can automate this using artificial intelligence, ChatGPT and the like. Okay, you can create a script that executes these trades automatically. Okay, so that's the next level, advanced level. We can create a simple script that we can put in here. Okay, so you just come here where it says experts. Guys, you can see where it says experts. These are the experts that we have, but you can bring your script right here as an expert. You come here where it says file, you go to open data folder, okay, file, open data folder, okay, and then you go to MQL5, you go to experts, advisors, and you can put the script in here, which can enable you for auto trading, what we call algo trading. So you come here and enable algo trading, and that will allow the script to execute the trades for you. Enter the market and exit the market once they hit certain parameters that you have set up. Okay, so we teach that in the advanced level. Okay, right now I'm dealing with a beginner student, so we're doing the basics. We're doing what we call manual trading. Okay, so we come here and we can change the lot size. So this is a very small account, guys. So we can just do, we have traded bigger accounts, thousands of dollars. So depending on your account size, okay, determine the type of trade lot sizes that you're going to take. Okay, so right here you can come to the penny lot size, 0.01, okay, and take advantage of the margins that the brokers are giving you, okay, and then just take a trade, okay. Like now you say, okay, if you think it's going to go down, looking at your signals here, you're looking at the RSI is pointing down. Looking at, if you draw a line here, resistance line here, this would be a support line over here. We have some sort of resistance here. So this is definitely going down. So I could take a trade right now. I could take a short. I could short this pair right now, go right here, sell, and wait. Wait, just keep an eye. If I see it hits my take profit, okay, I close the trade and say goodbye for the day. Okay, my goal is to grow this account by 10% every day. If I do that every day, I think by the 20th day, I should be over $1,000. Less than 20 days, we'll be at over 1,000. Today, we did over 35%. Okay, guys, if you add these percentages here, it's over 35%. Okay, we made $20.73 out of an $86 account. Guys, can you imagine that? If we had $1,000, that would be over $200, okay? $250. If we had a 10,000 account, we would have made over $2,000 today, just today. So you can pay yourself in 1 hour, in less than an hour, 5 minutes, okay? It took us 5 minutes to take this trade. So the possibilities are there. All you have to do is learn the skills, okay? And it can take you a long time to learn this on your own because there's so many gurus sharing this stuff on YouTube. If you go to the YouTube University, there's so many people teaching different things. So you're going to be spinning your wheels around and round and round and round. So it's time to stop learning and start doing. That's why I tell you, go ahead, open a demo account, HANKOTRADE, right there, depending on where you're coming from. Go ahead and open an account with the HANKOTRADE. I have the link in the description, okay? That is my link, affiliate link. So when you open an account and fund your account, HANKOTRADE gives me a little commission. It doesn't come out of your pocket. So that allows us to make these free trainings for you guys. That's why we are not charging you for this training, okay? This information, some people charge thousands of dollars for this information. We have paid thousands of dollars before for this type of training, to acquire this type of knowledge. Some guys charge thousands of dollars to show you just the basics, how to just to set up this platform alone. Somebody's going to charge you $100, $200, $300, $997, $1,497. Some people charge as much as $5,000, telling you they have this secret strategy that is making them millions. Okay, they're probably making millions from charging you $5,000. So you got to be careful who you are getting your advice from. We've done that before. It's called the shiny object syndrome. We suffered that in the beginning. So that's why I'm telling you, you want to join the Smart Wolf Club community. We've taken the arrows on our back and we're going to shortcut your success. All right, guys. So the links are in the description. Those of you who are live, I've put the links in the chat box. Okay. And then I see somebody is asking a question there. What time is the best time to trade? Well, the best time to trade is the time when your signals are matching what your inputs are. For example, if I'm looking at the RSI, what did I say? If the RSI line is here or above the 80, if it hits the 80%, the overbought, then I take a what? A sell option. I short the pair, okay? So I take a sell right here, sell option, okay? If it is down here on the 20%, I take a buy, a call option, okay? I go up, okay? That's how simple it is. And then I just keep an eye on my profitability. Now, if I want to leave my desk, I put a stop loss and I take profit. Then I can go away. So I don't have to be glued to my computer the whole day. I just go away, and the thing is going to do its thing. If it hits my stop loss, gets me out of the trade. If it hits my take profit, gets me out of the trade. And sometimes I can set what we call a trailing stop loss. So depending on how the market is moving, it could be trailing. And, and also I can have multiple trades with different take profits, what we call hedging. Okay, so I take a loss on this one, I take a profit on this one, and eventually I become out profitable. The idea is to be profitable. Okay, so I do the math, do the calculations right. The idea is to be profitable every day. Grow your account by a minimum 10%. That's what I tell my students. If you want to quickly make some bread, is have a goal. Without a goal, it's just a dream, pipe dream they call them. And we're going to take you to the graveyard, put you 6 feet under with your dreams, never realized. So sad, okay? That's why they say the graveyard is full of dreams. People that never materialize. So you want to do something, you have to take action now, okay? Procrastination is out of the window, my friend, okay? They've never met. That's what they say. Procrastinators have never met up to today. They're still procrastinating. So if this is something that you want to do, okay, you want to learn these extra skills, you want to have multiple sources of income, okay? Because that's what they say. If the pandemic has ever taught us anything, it is the idea of having multiple sources of income. In the Smart Wolf Club community, we advise our students to have at least 6 sources of income. The reason is very simple. One source of income is so dangerous, my friend. If you could see, I have a student here, Mother. They solely depended on their restaurants. Okay, they had 3 restaurants which had been in the family for 3 generations, but they had to close them during the pandemic because people were not coming to the restaurants to enjoy the cuisine and the service that they offered because of the closures, the government lockdowns, and of course they had to close the restaurant. So now she had to learn how to make money online using other skills. And she's learning now very fast. And she's in the right hands, okay? She's learned how to trade binary. She's learning how to do the content strategy right now. She's developing. If she had learned that before the closure, if she had learned how to take her restaurants online so she can continue serving her clients remotely, the clients could still order the food online, clients could still enjoy the cuisines she offered online, the recipes, she could sell her recipes online, she would still be making a lot of money. If she was collecting data from her clients, if she was collecting their phone numbers, their addresses, their email, she could still be marketing to those people who loved her. She has served, over the years, these restaurants have served thousands, if not millions of people. 3 generations. Just imagine how many people have been to those restaurants. 3 restaurants handed down from one generation to another, 3 generations. If they were collecting at least data, emails, you go to a restaurant and they collect your information in a nice way, okay? Not spamming people or stealing people's information. No, in a nice way, voluntarily. Maybe before you leave the restaurant, they have you fill a review form where you put your name, your address, your email address, a contact form. You leave a contact form. You leave a contact form. You leave a contact form. They send you a thank you note. They send you a gift. They send you promotions. They send you coupons. They send you discount cards. Okay, come back next week on Tuesdays. We have free. You get a free drink with your dinner. You get we send it to the email, clip the coupon, come to the store. Things like that. That's what we call intelligent marketing. And we teach our students how to do that in the content strategy. So you must have your fast money strategy. Fast money strategy, this is going to take your belief off the roof. You need that. Without that, most people quit this online thing. Okay. We have had so many students come in the beginning. They would quit because, oh, it takes too long to make a profit. Most people are not patient. Most people are in a hurry. And most students are lazy, guys. Most students are lazy. Okay? So people would be like, oh, no, it takes too long to make money. I'm spending time. People don't want to spend time. People are lazy. People want to watch their funny cut videos. People want to play their video games. People want to play on their phone. They want to spend time on Instagram, watching those celebrities and gurus, seeing who has a new Lamborghini, who has a new Maserati, who has the new bling bling. That's what people want to watch. That's what people want to. Where's the gossip? What is the current gossip? What is the latest? What are my family members doing? So, guys, basically, what I'm saying is, we have to change our thinking. If things have to improve for us, we have to change our thinking. Okay, and we teach a principle, very simple principle, guys. I call it the Frank Charlie principle. I think most of you have been watching my trainings before. You've heard of the Frank Charlie principle. What do we mean by Frank Charlie? Frank Charlie is FCC, the FCC principle. For you to succeed on anything, not only online, anything, you need those three things. You need focus, you need confidence, and you need consistency. Now, some trainers out there, they use different words to describe the same thing. Okay, so I simplify it for you guys. I call it the Frank Charlie principle. If you lack Frank Charlie principle, my friend, you're doomed. I can teach you all these skills. I can teach you how to trade Forex in one sitting, half an hour. Boom. You can take your first trade. You can ask Martha, she's right here. How long did it take her to take a trade, even to open this account? To open an account in HANKOTRADE is 2 minutes. All you need is your name and email. And then, of course, you upload your ID for KYC, which is simple. It is click, paste, copy, paste. If you can do that, if you can send an email, you can open an account. So that takes 2 minutes at most. Okay? Now, if you have a problem with that, please get in touch with us. Get in touch with me. I'll help you. Personally, I will spend my time helping you open the account if you have a problem. If you don't know how to transfer, how to fund your account. Some people have issues funding their accounts. They cannot transfer their crypto. They don't know how to buy crypto, because that is the easiest way to fund your account, using Bitcoin, Ethereum, any of those coins. It's very easy, okay? And you can buy those from Coinbase. I've put the links in the description where you can buy your crypto. Go to Coinbase, buy your crypto, transfer the crypto to HANKOTRADE. Boom, you start trading. Fund your account, $100. Start from there. Now, if you have a lot of money, you can start at a higher amount, 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, whatever makes you happy. Because the more money you have, the higher the chances you're going to make bigger. We're going to be taking bigger trades. Like instead of taking the 0.01 lot size, we could take a 10.00 lot size. Okay, so you can imagine if we had done a lot size of 1 here, okay, that would be over $200 right here. If we did a 1.0 or a 10, it would be $2,000. You can see. So some of you have bigger muscles than others. So we are not the same. We are not cut from the same cloth. Some people have bigger muscles than others. Some people have petite. They are petite, size 8, size 1, size 14. Size 46, if there's a size 46. I'm sorry, guys. I beg to be corrected here if there's no size 46. But I'm just saying we are not the same, okay? Some people come in with big muscles, okay? They have $1,000 to spare. Because here is the thing. When you're trading, you should only trade monies that you can afford to lose. Because you can come in here, boom, and lose. There's no guarantees. You know that. It's just that when you're doing any investment online or offline, you could lose your investment. All of it or part of it. There's potential. There's a risk. So we teach you risk management. That's why we use a stop loss. Never trade without a stop loss. Some people tell you they don't need stop loss if you're going to sit in front of your computer and click close and open the trades while you're still there. But what if something happens, okay, and you have to leave? Then you come and your account is gone, blown. The brokers take your money. They love that because nobody wants to lose money, okay, guys? So never trade without a stop loss, okay? That's rule number 1. and of course a take profit also. Okay, put a take profit, different ratios, 3-to-1, 2-to-1. So people will tell you 1-to-1, whatever, depending on your goal. How much do you want to make that day? Analyze the market. Okay, spend some time to understand the basics. Okay, these are red candles. You can see a red candle, meaning went down, started from here, went all the way down, started from here, went up, came down, then went all the way down here, then came back here and closed there. That is a bearish candle, the red one. The green candle is a bull candle. Okay, the market went up. Okay, it started from here, went up all the way up here, and then retraced back down here and closed there. Okay, so if we had taken a trade here and took a call option or a buy, we would have made a profit right here on this little candle right here. Okay, this is a 1 hour candle. These are 1 hour. So if we had started here at 9 o'clock, by 10 o'clock it closes up here and we have made money. We'd be smiling all the way to the bank. Now, based on our lot size, it'll determine how much money you make. You see, like here, we made only $5 because the lot size was 0.01. And this other lot size was 0.05 because it's a very small account. Actually, we were really taking a big risk here. We could easily blow this account. But it's because we were confident with our trade. We knew it was going to make money. We had done the right analysis. The signals were there, almost 99% guarantee that this was going to be a win. So guys, if you want to learn more of this stuff, okay, because I cannot teach all the basics here at the moment, okay? So if you want to learn, just make sure you subscribe to the channel. That's the first thing I'm going to ask you to do. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, okay? So you can be getting these training, you can access this training. Subscribe and hit the bell notification. So when we upload a new training about Forex trading, content strategy, how to start that dream business online and make it grow, where you can put in $1 and get $10 out, where you can put in $10 and get $100, where you can put $100 and get thousands of dollars out of it, where you can put $1,000 and make hundreds of thousands of dollars out of it, using simple strategies like what we call digital marketing, where you do social media advertising, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Instagram ads, and many others. Or where you take a product, you buy arbitrage, for example. We teach you all the basic skills that you can use to make money. Some people come and say, I don't have a product. I don't know how to create a product. You don't have to, okay? We can teach you how to do that, but that may take some time. If you want to make money yesterday, then we're going to take somebody else's product. Somebody has already created a product, and they're paying you commission, okay? So all you have to do is go out there with a megaphone and say, hello, come on, come and enjoy this great service here. Come and enjoy this product. And people will come if they have the need, if you are offering them a solution to their problems, okay? They will come and they will pay you for the service, okay? And you take your cut and you give the product owner a cut. There you go. You already made the money. You didn't create the product. All you had to do was send eyeballs, send traffic, send people to the store, online link where they have to click the link. And once they buy, you get paid. You don't have to fulfill the product. You don't have to deal with customer support. You don't have to deal with refunds. You take your money and go to the bank and smile and go enjoy your mojitos and warm weather, okay? Or enjoy your peace. Enjoy your video games or enjoy your cut videos. And the money comes into your account. Now, it's that simple, but you have, initially it might be difficult because you have to learn this strategy, you have to learn the skill, but we have somebody who can train you that. We can show you how to do that. That's no problem, okay? You just have to have an open mind, guys. So get off from the couch, guys, and start taking that step. The master teacher says, I'm a believer. The master teacher says, if you take a step, I take a step. He can as well say, if you don't step, I don't step. Basically, I mean, he could say that, yeah? And they say, if you knock the door, it shall be opened for you. So if you're in need of making money online. You are in need of changing your situation, financial situation, life situation, work situation. You don't like the job that you're doing right now and you want to change that. You can learn a skill like this. It doesn't take long. Guys, I can tell you that. I have sat with students within 1 hour, they're taking trades. Now, are they going to make a lot of money? Not really, okay, but they're making money. Like this student here, she just made $25 in 5 minutes. If we continue trading here for an hour or 2 hours, she could easily make a daily, she could hit her goals for the day. She could make enough money for the day to replace somebody's income. Because our goal is to get to 100K. 100K per year, guys, it's 275 per day, every single day, which is about $300 in 5 days. So every day, if you trade 3 days a week, if you hit at least 300 or 400 or 500, you could easily be at over 100K in a year. And we have seen that. We have students who are making that in a month. Okay, so it's not that it is impossible. We have students who are making that in a day, guys. And I'm sure you see those people. You follow a lot of people on YouTube. You see guys making 100K per day taking Forex trades. And it's because they have sat down, learned the strategies, and now they probably have big accounts, not $100 account like this one. They have maybe $1 million here deposited, and they can make 100K out of it very, very easily. When their signals come and they hit the market goes in their direction, they may easily make 100,000. Somebody collects 1,000 pips. 1,000 pips, and they're taking $100 size lot sizes, 100 lot sizes. My friend, yeah, it only takes a few pips to make 100K. All right, so it's not like it's unimaginable. This is done day and out, day and out. So while some people are complaining and crying and whining about their broke ankles, so are their situations, some people are living it. Guys, people are living it, okay? They're making money. So you want to choose which side you want to be. You want to be on the side where people are crying, or you want to be on the side where people are celebrating, okay? I think most people want to be on that side where there's celebration, where there is happiness, where there is freedom, where there is choices, rather than an area where you have limited choices, you're stressed, and you don't know what to do, okay? So I'm going to end this here with one thing. Learn the strategies, okay? The fast money strategy, the content strategy, and the technology strategy. Now, I did touch a little bit on the technology strategy when I said that we are now using artificial intelligence, okay, to create simple scripts, okay, that you can come here. This is HANKOTRADE, okay? You can come here to this broker and many other brokers. You go to where it says open file, okay? From your platform, you go to file, open data folder, go to MQL5 if you're using the MetaTrader 5, and then you go to the experts, advisors, and you put the script in here as an advisor. The file folder would be in here, okay? And this folder is going to institute the trades automatically for you so that we can free your time, okay? As soon as the conditions are met, if you're using 2, 3, 4 indicators, as soon as the conditions are in agreement, boom, takes a trade. Buy trade, sell trade. Doesn't matter. And it sets the stop loss for you and the take profit for you. And once that's hit, boom, gets you out of the trade, either in profit or in loss. Sometime you lose. There are no guarantees that you're going to win all the time. And in fact, guys, there are no guarantees in life at all. I could just get out of here and a drunk driver hits me right in the parking lot. No guarantees in life. So similarly, there are no guarantees anywhere, even on Forex trading, crypto trading, any type of business, online, offline, there are no guarantees. Even offline, some people think it is safer to start an offline business. It is not. It's the same. Martha just closed their restaurants. These were offline businesses, okay, which had been in the family for 3 generations. If you talk about diligence, business acumen. They were in the family for many, many years, passed on from generation, doing extremely well, very popular joints. But things happen, natural disaster, catastrophes, pandemics. The pandemic came and they had to shut down the place because of the closures and all that. Okay. And now, if they have other sources of income, of course, it would be easy to transition from one source of income to another. And that's why we tell our members in the Smart Wolf Club community, we encourage our members to have at least 6 sources of income. You could be doing several sources of income under the fast money strategy. Like now you could learn how to trade Forex, okay? 100K per year plus potential right here. You could learn how to trade binary options, 100K plus per year potential, okay? You could learn how to trade stocks and stock options, 100K plus potential. Crypto, the sky is the limit with crypto, okay? You guys, if you're not living under the rock, you know about the potential in crypto and the risk also in crypto. The risk is there. You cannot be oblivious of the risk, okay? Because you saw what happened. Bitcoin was 65, 68, almost $70,000 at some point. Then it came down crashing to 15,000, 14,000 someday, not long ago. So if you had jumped in at 70,000 and you rode the wave downwards, you'd be negative in the red, right? At 14,000, you'd pretty be under a lot of stress. If you don't have a heart attack, I'm sure some people would be in the ICU because they cannot stomach that. But of course, for seasoned traders, seasoned investors, seasoned business people, and if you had exercised the proper risk management where you didn't put all your money bags, your eggs in one basket. That is what we advise our students. Don't put your money in one basket. Okay? If you only have $1,000 that you can afford to lose, don't put all that $1,000 in this trade, for example. You're not going to come to HANKOTRADE and put your only $1,000 in HANKOTRADE. No, that is not what I will tell you to do. That's not what I will advise my students. No. Maybe I'll tell you to divide that by 5. At least have 5 money bags, 3 money bags, 200, 200, 200, 200. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm just saying what I would do. This is what I would do. I will take my 1,000, if that's the only money that I have that I can afford to risk, divide it by 5. I will take 200 and put that here and start trading that. I'll put the other 200 in something else, trading something else. I'll put the other one in on content strategy, building an online presence, building some online advert. I'll use that towards something else so that I have at least 5 sources or 6 sources of income that I am growing at the same time, okay? And exercising the FCC, focus, confidence, and consistency. Okay, because if you lose, you put all your money in one basket and boom, you lose that. That's the end of it. You're going to go into debt, depression, and probably death. Take your own life because you lost your money. Or you're going to go cuckoo because you can't stand it. You're going to start saying this is a scam or this online stuff is a scam. No, they're not a scam. You just didn't exercise proper risk management. And we teach you that in class 101 when you join our community. Any of our coaches, the first thing they go through with you is risk management. And of course, defining your goals and your dreams. Okay, so we know where you are and where you want to go. Because without knowing where you want to go, directions, you're just going to get lost. You're going to give up and you're going to say, this doesn't work. You're going to say, this is a scam. And it is not, because there's people who are just like you, ordinary people like me, like your neighbor. We are just your ordinary people. We are not any special. We are not the gurus that you see online. We are just ordinary people. Look outside your window, your next door neighbor. We're just your neighbor right there. Okay. All the difference is that we have learned these strategies over many, many years. We've been doing this for many years, and that's the only difference maker. And then we've got the discipline, and we have the FCC, the focus, the confidence, and the consistency. And that's why we are able to do this. And of course, we all need some help. Okay. The master teacher, I'm a believer. So we believe in divine powers. Let us say a word of prayer before we end this. Father, I pray for those who have listened to me that they shall implement this, they shall open their accounts today, and they can start practicing in the demo, and that they will subscribe to this channel so they can get more trainings, and they can be notified. They can hit the bell notification so that they can be notified for our future trainings. And they can also like this video and share this video so we can reach many, many lives and touch many, many lives in the world. For thy belief is in the power of the Almighty. Amen. Thank you, guys. Have a good night, good morning, and good afternoon. Thank you. I'll see you in our next training, which would be in just 2 days.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just